Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is how to delete underlines on sentences in Microsoft Word. Now, if you're seeing underlines, it may be one of two things, and you may have different things you're trying to do. If you, for instance, like right here, just see some words that are actually underlined and you don't want them underlined, that's pretty easy to change. First, use your cursor to highlight the words that are underlined. Once they're highlighted, you can do one of two things. Either just press Control-U or Command-U on a Mac, turn off the underlines right there, or you can use, if I highlight that again, the button right up here, the U with the underline. You can turn that on and off, underline things, ununderline things. Pretty easy. Now, you may also notice there's some other lines here, like the one here and the one here. Those are those little squiggly red underlines that show up whenever Microsoft Word says, hey, I think you might have misspelled something or used grammar incorrectly. Now, Microsoft Word doesn't always know what it's talking about with spelling and grammar. Sometimes we know better. And if you just wanted to stop showing those underlines, there's an easy way to do that. Go up into Tools, Options, and go over to Spelling and Grammar, right up there. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. Either you can just hide spelling errors in this document, right there, and hide grammatical errors in this document, and hit OK, in which case those underlines are gone. Or, better yet, if I go back into Tools, Options, Spelling and Grammar, I can actually make sure that Word never checks any documents. Uncheck check spelling as you type, and uncheck check grammar as you type. Hit OK. Now, it won't do that for any documents. No more red squiggly lines. If you want them back in, keep those checked, and you can uncheck them for specific documents by just saying hide them in this document. If you don't want them at all, uncheck those. Never check spelling or grammar as you type. I'm Jeff, and this is how to delete underlines of any kind on sentences in Microsoft Word.